Chronic pain, sleepless nights, and debilitating fatigue. For millions living with fibromyalgia, this is a daily reality. But a potential breakthrough is on the horizon. Tonmya, a new drug, is currently under FDA review and could become the first new FDA-approved medication for fibromyalgia in over 15 years. In this video, we'll explore what we know about Tonmya, its development process, and what it might mean for those living with this challenging condition. Tonmya is being developed by Tonix Pharmaceuticals for the treatment of fibromyalgia, a chronic condition affecting millions of people around the world. Tonix Pharmaceuticals submitted the new drug application in late 2024, and the FDA set August 15, 2025 as the decision date for approval. In July 2024, the FDA granted Fast Track designation to Tonmya for the management of fibromyalgia. This allows for more frequent FDA interactions and the possibility of priority review, potentially accelerating the approval process. The FDA has not requested an advisory committee meeting for this application, which means that it will not meet with outside experts to discuss Tonmya. This usually means that the FDA feels it has enough information to make a decision on its own, which may speed up the review process. As mentioned, Tonmya would be the first new FDA-approved medication for fibromyalgia in over 15 years. However, its effectiveness and safety in widespread use remain to be seen after potential approval and market release. Tonmya is a sublingual formulation of cyclobenzaprine hydrochloride. It is centrally acting, meaning that it works primarily in the central nervous system to reduce pain. It is a non-opioid and non-addictive analgesic meant to be taken at bedtime. Its sublingual formulation allows for rapid absorption and targets key receptors in the brain involved in pain, sleep, and mood. By addressing these pathways, Tonmya aims to alleviate these core symptoms of fibromyalgia. Recent clinical trials have shown promising results for Tonmya. In December 2023, the Brazilian Phase 3 trial demonstrated that Tonmya significantly reduced daily pain compared to placebo, achieving highly statistically significant results. The study showed that Tonmya not only helped with pain reduction, but also showed improvements in sleep quality, fatigue reduction, and overall fibromyalgia symptoms and function. After looking at the data more closely, researchers found that Tonmya might also help with related symptoms such as depression, anxiety, sensitivity, memory problems, and energy levels. This broad-spectrum activity highlights its potential to address not just pain, but the multifaceted challenges faced by those living with fibromyalgia. In terms of safety and tolerability, Tonmya has shown a favorable profile suitable for long-term use. Studies conducted with Japanese and Chinese volunteers demonstrated that it was safe and well tolerated at doses up to 5.6 milligrams when administered sublingually. The most common side effects of Tonmya in trials were headache and drowsiness, reported in about 3% of patients, with no observed changes to weight or blood pressure. Beyond its immediate benefits for pain relief and improved sleep quality, ongoing research is exploring Tonmya's effects on cognitive dysfunction, or brain fog, a common issue among people with fibromyalgia. Preliminary findings suggest that it may help alleviate these cognitive challenges as well. It's worth noting that current FDA-approved drugs for fibromyalgia often require patients to choose between improved energy with Cymbalta or Savella, or better sleep with Lyrica. Tonmya potentially addresses both issues. Tonmya could represent a notable advancement in the treatment of fibromyalgia. By offering a non-opioid option that addresses multiple core symptoms of this complex condition, it has the potential to improve how fibromyalgia is managed. With regulatory approval on the horizon, Tonix Pharmaceuticals is preparing for a potential commercial launch of Tonmya in the fourth quarter of 2025, assuming FDA approval. Researchers plan to present more detailed data at upcoming scientific meetings and publish results in a peer-reviewed journal later this year. While Tonmya shows promise, it's important to remember that its true effectiveness and safety in widespread use will only be determined after potential approval and market release. As with any new medication, patients should consult with their healthcare providers to determine if it might be appropriate for their individual situation. If you receive value from this video, please like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on future videos.